Welcome to our cartographic design video series. When most people hear the word cartography, they think of the age of exploration and the cartographers who accompanied explorers like Columbus and La Salle. This is a far cry from what most cartographers do today, which often entails using graphic design tools and web programming languages. If cartography includes such different practices, how can we define cartography? Well, cartographers of every medium and every era have one thing in common. They must be able to use a variety of tools from a variety of professions to make a product as complex as a map. Cartographers must think like writers. Instead of words, cartographers must use a visual language of symbols to communicate. These symbols need to carry meaning that their audience can recognize. For example, nearly everyone can recognize this as a symbol for a tree. Like writers, cartographers must work hard to communicate clearly and tailor their work to their audience. Cartographers must think like data scientists. Making a map, especially when using a computer, requires an understanding of how to represent different kinds of objects on a map, whether it's territories, elevation data, or even something as nebulous as a motion. Cartographers must also think like artists. No matter what kind of map you make, you want it to be as aesthetically pleasing as possible. But most of all, cartographers must be designers. Through a combination of brainstorming and experimentation, cartographers should make the best possible product for their target audience by using every tool and technique available. In this module, I will present two basic concepts of cartographic design: visual hierarchy and visual variables. I will then introduce two cartographic tools in ArcMap, the Symbology tab and Layout mode. While this video series is by no means a comprehensive overview of the field of cartography, it is designed to help you learn more about cartography by creating your own maps.